Hi, I'm Grace. This is my husband, Nigel.
Welcome to our home. We consulted our friends and we got 5 or 6 recommendations from them. And eventually we settled on 8 Design, Ivan, who was a recommendation from her colleague. We went to see him and we felt that the process was very good. He was very meticulous and we liked the way that he knew what we wanted in the design. I was impressed that Ivan used a ruler to measure the floor plan even in our first meeting.
And he also gave importance to our project because he will reply us very promptly, faster than the rest of the IDs.
We wanted something that was classic and timeless, something that would be evergreen and incorporated marble and wood finishings. We weren't sure what it was called when we first met Ivan, and we learned from him subsequently that the theme was called Modern Contemporary.
During the renovation period, we were actually supposed to go for a 3.5-week honeymoon. So Ivan actually ensured that we chose everything before we left. So he set up a WhatsApp group chat and then we were kept updated of the progress regularly.
And then when we came back from our honeymoon, the house was 50 to 60% complete and we were very happy with the progress. The place I like the most in this house is the study room. So Ivan made sure that it's very conducive for us to work because we work a lot at home. And he designed it such that by using sliding doors, it gives a very open feel to it and makes it look a lot more spacious.
The part I like the most about the house is the island and the bar counter. It's a very cozy corner to chill when my friends come over, and because it's so close to the bar, it's very easy to get a refill.
We both like our master bedroom, but we felt that the original location of it was not very good because the windows were too small. And we wanted to combine 2 bedrooms together and include a walk-in wardrobe.
Ivan also gave a very good suggestion, so he suggested that we could sleep in the second bedroom instead because there are bigger windows and it lets in more light. Also, he suggested that the walk-in wardrobe should be in the original master bedroom because it's closer to the bathroom, so it's more convenient for us. Ivan actually set aside a section of the wardrobe for us to put our clothes that we plan to wear for the next day.
One of the good suggestions that Ivan did was to hack down the original storeroom and replace it with full-height storage cabinets. And because my wife and I both play golf, he made sure that it was big enough to accommodate both our golf bags. I would advise homeowners to visit as many IDs as time would permit, because in doing so, you'll get an idea of how you want your house to look like.
My advice would be not to rush through the renovation process so that you allow the ID actually more time to do his best. And also we should just enjoy the process of the renovation.
We are very happy with Ivan from 8 Design for the work that they have done with our house.
Yeah, Ivan has been very accommodating to our schedules. He would actually meet us at nights or weekends so that we can get the house sorted out.
Ivan is very meticulous and he pays a lot of attention to the very fine details. We look forward to starting a new chapter in our beautiful home.
Thank you, Ivan.
Thank you, 8 Design.